We're going to take a walk through the We Salute You thrift store in Winesburg, Ohio. It's right in downtown Winesburg. Cannot miss it. Winesburg is a beautiful little town, all updated buildings and things like that. Very clean, very nice. Also has little plaques outside each house that explains the history of it. It's a very historic town. So let's go ahead and take a look at some of the different items. It was heavy on glass, but he said there's a lot of other things that he's just getting brought in because the store's only been open for 2 days. So I wanted to bring this to you so you'd be able to see all the different things that are there. And I'm sure that there's a lot of, as you can see, you can probably find lots of different things that you would like. I know I found a little wire basket chicken that I brought home with me. So And actually, I left it there for just a moment, and when I came back from my walk around town, he had placed it on my truck, so that was very nice. So we're working on getting the hours, so we'll get those posted as soon as we get those. But yeah, like I said, it's right in downtown Winesburg. Can't miss it. If you stop in there, let him know you saw him on Amish Country Views and HCO and more. Hey, thanks for watching HCO and more on YouTube and Amish Country Views on Facebook. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and let us be your guide to Amish Country.